July 20th, 1969, at the height of the Cold War. At 4 in the afternoon, the United States does the unthinkable. They've beat the Soviets and become the first nation to land on the moon in an event that was televised worldwide. Or did they? Many people believe the lunar landing was nothing but a hoax, and they have some good reasons why. The first piece of evidence is when Neil Armstrong places the American flag into the moon. Mysteriously, the flag begins to wave. But wait, the moon has no air, thus, no wind. So how did the flag wave? NASA provided an explanation, saying that the flag was just unraveling and not waving. I'll let you have a second look and you can judge for yourself. Conspirators believe that the whole charade was staged on a Hollywood movie set and the wind came from an industrial fan.
This is no ordinary fan.
To support the theory of a Hollywood movie set, there is the freaky letter C. One of the rocks seen on the moon had a clear letter C on it. Conspirators believe this rock is a prop and C is its identification marker. The C should have been facing backwards or down, but somebody fucked up. But if the rock is prop C, where are prop A and B, and possibly D? In one of the clips of the astronaut, when you look closely, you can see a bright reflection in his mask. The light is found in the top right corner of the mask and is solid proof to many that the moon landing was in fact a hoax. The reflection resembles that of a ceiling-mounted stage light, a device frequently used on Hollywood sets. And another thing, where are all the stars? Let's talk about shadows. Generally speaking, the sun is always in one relative place at a certain time. All the objects in direct sunlight should cast a shadow, and since the sun is in one spot, the shadows should all go in the same relative direction. When it comes to the moon landing, this is not the case. As you can see, the faraway object casts a shadow that goes directly across the screen, but the closer object produces a shadow that starts from the top of the screen and points to the bottom right. Coincidence? I think not. This is physically impossible. The sun cannot be in two places at one time. Therefore, stage lights were used and hung in different angles to create this inaccurate portrayal of what is supposed to be a moon landing but is really a hoax. Confirmed.